if you want to learn something like PICO-8, this is definitely something to push you to that next level of understanding.
If you've ever wanted to make your own games in PICO-8, you better listen up. Space Cat here, and I'll be your host for my brand new video course, PICO-8 Noob to Pro. When I was first starting game dev, I didn't even know what code really was. Functions, arrays, callbacks, all those fancy words were so confusing, and I was a total noob to game development. And PICO-8 was super intimidating because I had to make my own collision and everything's using code. What the heck, man? It wasn't until I started to understand the essential concepts of game development that things started to fit into place. The problem was there were a lot of YouTube tutorials and courses out there, but most of them showed just what to type and never said why we're doing it that way. So years later, I made the course that I wish existed back then. A course that doesn't just tell you what code to write, but helps you fully understand the big ideas behind the code. This course is designed to transform you from a total game dev noob to confidently making your own games with PICO-8. We'll work through my accelerated game dev roadmap that's designed to help you understand the most essential concepts of creating a game and put them to use as soon as possible. We'll start with the core concepts of game development, learning how games are coded and the major tasks you need to master to create games that are fun and engaging. Then we'll dive into the specifics of PICO-8, the interface, the tools, and of course how to get your feet wet coding interactive programs. Then we jump into the Game Dev Cookbook, which is an ever-growing collection of short lessons on how to build common game features like collision, gravity, projectiles, and more. This will give you a whole array of skills that you can apply to your own games. Then we'll buckle down and create a game together. We'll walk step by step coding a platformer game from scratch in PICO-8, covering the creative process to character movement, to collision, to enemies, to hazards, pickups, and the logic and goals of the game. Finally, we'll explore how to take the concepts we've learned and apply them to any game you can imagine. At the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of PICO-8 and be confident in your game dev skills. I've packed years of PICO-8 knowledge, trial and error, and study and research into this course. This is the fast track to take a huge leap forward in your game dev journey. Here's a review from one of our recent students.
I also took a lot of what he taught me and I applied it to my own things. So my game even adds things that were not in the course, but he taught us how to animate the lava based on using the map tiles that we created. So I went ahead and I made my coin animated based on that same exact thing that he taught me. So even though you go through this course and you learn things, you can take that and try to apply something new in there that he didn't even teach you, just using the code he already taught you how to use. I definitely feel like I have gained a lot from this course. He did a great job explaining things. He kept the video short and sweet so it keeps your attention. I mean, it's just an overall great job.
One of my favorite things in the world is to see people inspired to create. I want to break down anything in the way of you making the games you want to make. And I'm confident this course will be a game changer in your PICO-8 skill set. So if you're ready to go from Game Dev Noob to PICO-8 Pro, check out the course PICO-8 Noob to Pro. It's available now at spacecatdev.com.